What's up, everybody? Just getting the stream to load in really quick.
Here's the lowdown on B Solo.
We'll start with the TA, and we'll wait for some people to come in. I'm getting everything loaded right now. We got one person watching right now, just waiting for everybody to load up into the video, and then we will get on with the TA and questions and all that. If anybody's watching, let me know in the chat below. We got 10 people. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? If you can hear me and everything sounds okay, leave a message in the chat, and we'll get started on some TA and some questions. No. Everything should be okay right now. What's up, man? Let's get this freaking bull run underway. What's up, John? We're just going to wait for some more people to join the live stream, and then we'll get started on the TA, and we'll look over some questions that everybody has. Just waiting, seeing a live chat. Here we go. What's up? Sounds good. All right, so I just refreshed the cryptocurrency market cap. Wait, hopefully all you guys noticed that I look a little clearer. I have a massive 18-inch ring light behind my camera, so it illuminates the crap out of my live streams now. Makes me look so nice. I can move around freely and not like blur out. It's a lot better. I used to have a 150 LED light that was battery operated, and the light would die every so often, and it was so annoying during the live stream, so I'd have to cut them short. But this is plugged into the wall, and holy cow, does it light up the TA. So we got 20 people in. What's up, everybody? Yeah, thank you, John. It does. Hopefully it looks a lot better. And if you've been watching some of my recent videos, I put one out today. I'm starting to use a DSLR camera to help record, so that makes me look 1,000 times clearer. It's pretty freaking awesome. We got Alex Samano says shout out from Arizona, or yeah, shout out from Arizona. What's up? What's up? How is it over there? I have relatives that live over there. It's freaking hot from what I've heard. Let's see. I have my phone to read everybody's stuff. Danny Hamish, invest before or after August 14th? Obviously, we can't tell exactly by a date. We have to go by TA. But just looking on the board, I posted a video probably like 3 or 4 hours ago. I used my camera to record the video, and it made me look a lot clearer. And in that video, if you guys were watching, we were checking out the TA, we were checking out the charts. As you noticed, a lot of the coins were very low to the 1%. Everything was up. Tether was also down, which now seems to be just flatline, but a lot of consolidation, nothing too bad. But for the most part, the market is looking quite nice. We're up at 3% for Bitcoin. We see 5% for Stellar, so nothing too bad. Let me know where you guys are from in the chat. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. See that emoji that pops up. Got 21 people watching. Small bull run this weekend. We're definitely going to have to check it out, guys. Let me know where you're from. Let me know who's in the chat. Let me know who's watching. So I have a few coins up we can talk about right now. I have Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, and then if you guys want me to review any other coins, just make sure to leave that in the live chat, and I'll get to it. Friends, who is that? Jordan Long, new name to me. Fresno, Cali. What's up, bro? A lot of people from California. It's pretty awesome. We got El Tessie from Texas. What's good? What's good? Attacoin, please. Yeah, we can check out Attacoin. We have 25 people watching. Let me know where you guys are from. Ripple. Los Angeles, California from Crypto. I think that's Crypto Geo. All right, so looking at Litecoin right now, we have Reading on Fire here. Let's see, Stamford, Connecticut. We have Washington. What's up, guys? So I'm just looking at Litecoin right now, and I'm noticing a double top, which is interesting. You can see the line of resistance there. Let me know what you guys think about that. We're seeing some resistance pushing to this $90 area. Name is pronounced LTC. Oh, I got you. Hour away from Beacon, New York. LTC, now I get it. What's up, Ohio here? How are you? What is good, guys? Just watching everybody join. So you can see how we have this bottom support right here, which is pretty cool. It's holding the market up pretty darn well. A lot of resistance at the top here at around 90. Hopefully this is a good time for all you guys. We got to see how many people join this live stream, kind of figure out what time's better for everybody. You can see we have the resistance at around 80 on the Litecoin, and then we have resistance at the 90, and sorry, support at the 80. So we're kind of trapped in this channel right here, trading sideways. You can also see a smaller resistance at that $85 level, which we were currently over not too long ago, and we managed to break down and fall. So we are kind of retesting $85 as a level of resistance right now, which is interesting. It's something that we're going to have to face very soon and hopefully be able to break above. It looks okay. You know, we're looking pretty nice. You're the boss, we go on your schedule, lol. Okay. So you can see we are facing, we do look pretty, I'm reading the chat and commenting at the same time, so it's hard to do. MI here. So you can see how we look pretty good on the RSI. We're at around 50, so it's nothing too crazy. It's definitely the most stable coin at the moment, now that I'm checking all the others. Yeah, Litecoin is at 50, so it's definitely stable. It can either go up or down, which I know most of the coins can, but it has a better chance of going up because it's at 50 RSI. We do look quite nice here. We are retracing off of that 90 level. What's up, Mexican Charlie Lee? Always jumping around from live streams. I see you. So you can see how we are facing a little bit of resistance at the 50, at the 85. So when we jump over to Bitcoin right now, what I want you guys to notice is this major support level that is being formed. You can see we have a support on the way up right here. And we've been just using this as a means of scaling up and continuing higher. And you can see every time we go too far away from it, we end up consolidating back to the line, then bouncing up again, consolidating back to the line. And I'm looking for another candle possibly tomorrow to see where we end up going. Now it does hold true. We are still above that that high-low middle moving average. The interesting part is if you check the RSI, we are nearing that overbought territory. So that's an interesting thing. You going to the summit? I've been thinking about it. Why, are you going to be there, Mexican Charlie Lee? I'm thinking about it. It's pretty expensive to go to Cali. I'm also going to be in college when that happens, so I gotta see. I've definitely thought about it. It's definitely crossed my mind. According to Dan CCV, as long as we stay above 40 RSI, yes, of course. So yeah, I'm thinking about it. It's like I've done some calculation. Probably going to cost me like $750. Obviously, I've wanted to go. It's just a matter of how that interacts with my classes. I know it's on a weekend, but I would only go for one day, and I know it's I'd have to miss like a Friday, and it's like a 7 or 8 hour flight, I think, to Cali. So it definitely takes a long time, and it's a big schedule. And obviously the money too. I don't know how I feel about dropping $700-800 on an Uber, plane tickets, the event itself, food, all that stuff. But let me know if you're going to be there. When Moon? That's a very blatant statement. Was the last consolidation due to the SEC rejection sell-off? Yes, crypto. Geo, definitely a possibility. If you looked at my previous video, one from that I literally just posted recently, that explains how I believe the Winklevoss brothers released were trying to go for another ETF and a second ETF they're planning on doing now very soon. But the first one they had trouble with. It was postponed to later, I believe in September. So they're starting to do a second one in August, which could potentially be approved. We're just waiting to find out more about that. Let's see. This is what I think. I personally don't think so. It seems like Litecoin goes to 5 to 10 on the weekend. Then it drops a few bucks just below new higher high. Payday. But you guys can see we're really Bitcoin is the big guy here, and it follows Litecoin. Or Litecoin and Ethereum follow Bitcoin. So Litecoin is in the perfect position. It's been consolidating from quite some time. It's waiting for Bitcoin to make a move, and then it should hopefully follow. The issue is Bitcoin is looking very similar to it's looking very close to being overbought overbought. And when it becomes overbought, we're kind of due to pull back. There's a lot more suppression on the market, and it's not something we want to be in. It's definitely not a position we want to see. What is up, everybody? 31 people watching. Glad you guys could join the stream. Let me know where you're from. If you're new to the channel, you just clicked on, make sure to subscribe, join the Crypto TV community. I noticed same trend, Jerry. What's up? Let me read this. Do you think crypto market will follow the gold price market? The chart looks identical. Hopefully Bitcoin will have ETF approved soon. Alex Samano. I remember I watched a video on that, and I believe it was no, it was the moon, I think, like lunar moon, something like that. I believe that's who made a video, and he was talking about Litecoin. Sorry, the crypto market following gold, which is very interesting to see that they just happen to have similar patterns. And he wasn't comparing their recent price. He was comparing their past. Yeah, the moon. Yeah, I had a feeling that's where you saw that from. That was from the past. You saw how he used a older chart of gold and compared that to the recent times of cryptocurrency, and it's just, I feel like, a fluke that they both happen to look the same. It would be awesome to see that they both mimic that same thing and they both shot up very soon. That would be very interesting to see. Is it 100% accurate? Is it truly following it? There's too many variables to say that it is. They're so different, but similar at the same time that it's really hard to say exactly. Steve Lau, Canberra, Aussie, Litecoin #1. Yo, shout out to you. Definitely check out my merch. I got it, a link in the description. And I will be doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. So if you're not in it, you're not going to get it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. So you can see we are following this support level right here, and we are continuing up. Just check in. Let's see how many people we got. 30, 40 people. What's up, guys? Let me know where you're from. So you can see we're on this uptrend right now, and we're facing resistance at this top at around $84-ish $100 for Bitcoin. So that's definitely the place to be. You know, $8,400 is going to be the resistance for Bitcoin to beat. Now, my issue is, yes, we're on an uptrend. Yes, we're setting these higher lows. But what I want to point out, and I always talk about, is this is an ascending triangle. And we don't usually break bullish from ascending triangles that I've noticed. And what is another factor is the fact that we also have we're nearing that overbought area. So if we see the price continue to go higher very soon, we're going to need a slight pullback. And we're going to see that pullback probably back down to this high-low MMA, so maybe at a price at around $7,800 in that region. So we shouldn't just plummet, but we should definitely retest that high-low MMA soon. I do think we're going to break bearish from this ascending triangle here and then fall. I know it's unfortunate, but that's most likely what's going to happen. Just playing it out. Let's see how many people we got. Cool, we got 40 people. What's up, guys? Let's see. Reading the live chat. Got New York. Whiskey Fishing says, I'm 10 miles away from SEC headquarters in DC. Want me to head over there and tell them to approve the ETF? Yeah, Whiskey Fishing. So head on over there, grab the Winklevoss brothers, go march in there, the twins, and yell at them and tell them to approve the Winklevoss's next all Bitcoin ETF. And let me know what they say. Hopefully you don't get kicked out. Make a video and I'll put you on the channel. Let's see. The Caesar Network channel thinking about buying 11 Litecoin at 79. Will it do it? So it's currently at 84, and I do think we're in a very good standpoint. If we do fall, looking at the chart, I don't think, you know, it's tough. He said at 79. Actually, that's very doable. Now, I definitely think I wouldn't settle with 79, maybe 80 in that region. There's a chance we could go down there. It definitely is possible. Obviously, we don't want to see that price for a long time, but it is possible that we do fall down to that level. Now, I'm also noticing, guys, I don't know if you saw, but an uptrend like that. Did you guys notice this before? I just noticed this right now, that there is a slight uptrend on Litecoin, that there's a potential chance that we could be following this right now. Again, ascending triangle, but we could break out of that and continue to rise up, leading to that high-low MMA. I hope you know that the Winkle ETF isn't the one that people are hoping for. Yes, I know that, but he's also doing one as well. He did a second one. I made a video on it this morning. He tried doing one. It didn't go through. And then he's trying to get a second one, I believe, in August. So we'll see if that goes through. But either way, an ETF's an ETF, and people will be very happy because it'll be the first one that fully Bitcoin. CBOE will be approved. They're in the club. Winklevoss twins are new money, says Mexican Charlie Lee. Whiskey Fishing goes LOL. Let's see. So yeah, I did notice this new support. Hi guys, from Bill Park. Leroy Williams goes, your recent subscribers does not let us know what chart you're looking at. Not sure. Your recent subscribers does not let us know what chart you're looking at. I'm not sure what that means, but oh, now I understand. I'm gonna have to move that then. Hold on. Maybe this will help. I did not realize that covers it. Thank you guys. Thank you. This should hopefully make it a little bit easier. I'm showing you guys the other side of OBS. Pretty cool. But hopefully that will help. I'm looking at Litecoin right now, and you can see the price is moving up on a slow but uptrend for sure. Could be in a new channel. I just noticed that. Let's see. Mexican Charlie Lee, that's why they denied the Winklevoss ETF. Leroy Williams says yes. If you have EOS, JSnip put out a nice video explaining how to send your tokens to Binance. Yeah, we can actually look at EOS right now. I do have that chart pulled up, which is interesting to talk about. Steve Vlog goes better. Mexican Charlie Lee, true story, Jimmy. What's up, guys, says Felipe, a.k.a. Flip. What is up, everybody? If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the chart. We have 40 viewers right now, so what's up, guys? So checking out EOS right now, it's interesting. It's almost like repeating its previous. Just like take a look at this chart right now. This is EOS to Bitcoin on Binance. So you'll notice in the past here we had this, what is that? Sold a PS4 on Phase 6. Not sure what that means. So we do have this downtrend. We broke up from it. Then we have a second downtrend, and there's most likely a chance we're going to break bullish from that and go pretty high. It seems like it's repeating itself again and again. You can see how the markets dip really low, and now it's doing it again, and it could continue to spike in the price and go pretty darn high. Will it retake its all-time high? I'm not too sure, but it could definitely head there. Sold a PS4 on Facebook. Guy paid me in Litecoin. That's pretty sick. I think that's a steal, a good price. You can see we're testing a support level right now at around, it's 0.001. Sorry, I don't have the US dollars pulled up, but you can see this bottom right here. And you can see we are retesting that pretty darn low. And we are pulling down too. So it'll be interesting. The fact that we are pretty much oversold in this RSI is pretty interesting, considering we're also trending downwards and we can't really go much lower. You know, if we break this support right here, we're going to fall down to this level, but hopefully we can break bullish and continue up, and we're going to see where we're going to go. There are some areas of resistance. Again, if we break below this, we're going to have to use that as resistance, and then if we break above that level, we're going to probably hit this region right here. Yeah, for sure. Right here, so you can see where this is resistance and this is support again, and now resistance. What's up? Let's see. Sweet, cool, whiskey. Let's see. So it'll be interesting. We're definitely going to have to see. Anybody got questions? Oh, no. It's just a very interesting market right now, guys. I do think we need to wait a little bit longer. I think we're definitely heading up, though. I mean, if you look at Bitcoin and I pull up its weekly, we're definitely headed up. So I think we're finally out of that bearish, you know, downtrend. Yeah, for sure, guys. Look at that. So look at this chart on the weekly. You can see how we were in this bearish downtrend right here. And then we broke up. Now we're breaking up. And you guys can see we're only at 50 on the RSI. I mean, yeah, on the RSI. We bounced up off this high-low MMA, and now we're continuing to go up. This is the second candle. It is most likely going to be completed in the next 2 days, and then we're going to see if the third candle can get us higher into that $10,000 region. But what I really want you guys to notice is we are heading up. That's the major takeaway that I want you guys to get from this, is that we are heading up. Let's see. Bill Park says, do you think ICX can reach up to 80 in a few years? Let me pull it up and I will tell you. ICX. And then we have Whiskey. Oh, that's pretty out of the ballpark, but we'll talk about it in a second. Do XRP. What's your opinion, prediction on, what is that? Litecoin EOY price? What is that? EOS? So can Icon go to $80 very soon? There's really no shot. Maybe in numerous years, but not anytime soon. One interesting thing is it has, I believe Bitcoin has only 12 million coins ever made. Icon has 800 million. So you can see that is a pretty big difference. The second is that if Icon was to go to $80, its market cap would be like 5 times the size of the total market cap in all of crypto. So I really do not think it's going to head there. Digibyte thoughts, end of year. Oh, LOL, EOY, end of year, duh. What do you think about double top and then the drop pattern for Bitcoin this year, repeating? Double top, then drop pattern for Bitcoin? Where do you see a double top? This is the weekly for Bitcoin. Not really seeing a double top anywhere. I just see us bouncing off the high-low MMA for the weekly, and we're now continuing to shoot up, which is where we're headed, guys. We're going to continue to go up. We're broke bullish from this You know, that's another thing that I really want to point out, guys. That's another thing. Like, I really want to make this, like, clear for you. If I just drew this, nah, I don't know. What color should we use? Yellow? Yeah, I guess I'll use yellow. And then I'll use yellow. Okay. And then maybe I'll really thicken these lines up. Let's get these bad boys thick. Okay. Get this one thick. Okay, so hopefully you guys are seeing this. Salt we have, Digibyte, $9, December 2018. So what you're seeing right now is you're seeing Bitcoin's all-time weekly descending triangle. I drew it in yellow, and you can see it's descending triangle. What did I talk about? We break bullish from descending triangles 9 times out of 10. And what are we doing? We're breaking out of this descending triangle. This, I mean, like, I don't know how much more obvious this can be. Clear descending triangle, and now we're breaking up from it. Usually, the price action for cryptos, when they break up, is we take the size or the mouth of the triangle, which is, nope, a 236% jump. And now we put that to the point of the triangle, 236% jump from the breakout point, which is right here. And now we draw this up to 236%. That's, oh, sorry, right around here. That's around a $21,000 Litecoin. I mean, Bitcoin. Whoa, if that was a $21,000 Litecoin, we'd all be, I wouldn't be doing these live streams, let's say that. But if I want to show you guys the potential, this is the mouth of the Bitcoin, and you can see this is the descending triangle it has formed on the weekly scale. So it's due to pop this, and you can see we broke bullish from this downtrend. Like, I really want to point this out. You know, I'd say we would definitely have to check out the market if we broke bearish from this, and we'd really have to think about where this market is headed. If it broke below the bottom line, if it broke below yellow and we fell lower, then we would definitely have some thought, but we broke bullish from it. We found the bottom of the triangle and we breaking out from it, on the weekly. Now, obviously things go by weeks. So each candle is a week. So for it to get here, it may be, the ninth, what is this? May, June, July, August, September 24th, it's definitely possible that we could see the price of Bitcoin in this range of like $16,000, $17,000, $18,000 in September, in a few months from now, in 8 weeks from now, we could see the price very high. Let's see, what else we got? You mean Bitcoin doubling from 19,000? LOL, Jimmy, I am there. You got prediction. So that's kind of what I want to point out, is that we have this downtrend and we're breaking up from it. This is the downtrend, this is the bottom, this is the support level, and we're breaking up. We bottomed out right here and we're breaking out of the downtrend. We broke bullish, and we're going to continue to go up and most likely go back, hopefully, to higher highs because of the size of the opening. You know what I mean? We were extremely overbought when we were up here, and we went and we reconsolidated all the way back down to levels of 50. So the market is definitely looking positive in my mind. We broke out of the downtrend. We are heading up. And we got to see, guys, like, we even broke, this was a smaller downtrend we broke bullish from. Once Bitcoin moves, the alts will move too. Yeah, when volume gets injected into Bitcoin, some likes to dribble down to the other cryptos too. And if we check out Litecoin too, I can show you guys that on the full screen. Let's do the weekly. I like the rush I get when I see the bulls. Yeah, you notice like how wide the jump is. So now we're going to look at Litecoin's chart. This is interesting. Definitely an interesting chart for sure. You guys can clearly see, I'll make this yellow as well, representing the downtrend. And now it's pretty much like, where is the bottom, Now what's interesting is you can take this line and move it all the way up like this. And we can consider this to be the, everlasting downtrend. Or we can put it like that, which looks a little more realistic. And then it's pretty much just, where is the bottom of the chart? It's either we started here from the breakout, we can move it here. It's very interesting to see where the bottom is. What's also interesting too, guys, that I want to point out? I'm going to draw this. I'm going to just draw another line, yellow, and then we'll go on from there. Make this one. Here we go. So hopefully what you guys can take away is you can see how... What's up, Wall? Sorry I'm late. Miss anything good? Jason Lucas. Not much. We chillin'. I'm just showing everybody on the weekly the size of this downtrend that Litecoin is forming, and you can see how we're at the bottom, guys. We're at the bottom. We're due to pull up. You can see how right here, you can see we've had a lot of these candles are massive for the weekly. Like if I zoom out, you can see all of these candles are absolutely massive. Like the amount of pulls are massive. Debbie Schwan goes, hit the likes. Yeah, I'd appreciate that, guys. Why don't you smash that like button if you're liking the content, if you're enjoying the stream. Make sure to hit that like button. Let's try to get over, how many people do we have? We got 30 people watching. How about we get, let's say, at least 20 likes. I'd like to see 20 likes on the board. Let's shoot for 20. Wow, holy shit. What the hell? Did that just... I must have just refreshed it and we got 20 likes already. So let's shoot for 30 likes. That'd be pretty dope. Litecoin is the deal. Hit the likes. I appreciate that. So yeah, that's what I want to point out is, yeah, that I've been noticing that Bitcoin and Litecoin stats lowest in forever. So it's just a very interesting market. That's really what I want to talk about when you're looking at these charts. You can see how you see these candles on the weekly they have such huge volume in each one. Even if we're going down, the movement is just wild. But look, now that we're at the bottom and we're nearing the bottom support level, there has been no movement whatsoever within Litecoin. Zero movement at all. He just said, Steve Lau says 30. We got 34 people watching. Hey, thanks. I appreciate it, guys. We're above 30 likes. Can we get 40? Let's try to get 40 likes. That'd be lit. Litecoin will have its Litecoin, though. TC about to pop, guys. What is that? TC? Oh, LTC? Yeah, LTC is about to pop. LOL. Litecoin, you just got to hold. It will pop when it's ready. What do you think about Aimstone YouTube channel? I've never heard of that. I don't think I've watched it. Guys, I was in from $3. That's freaking awesome. Keep holding it, because I do think we're about to pop very soon. Have you done Digibyte Bitcoin chart yet? Litecoin holder 2. Yes, I have in the past. I didn't do it in this live stream, but if you want, I can do it in a few moments after we are done staring at Litecoin. So you guys just notice that, like, we see these massive jumps in the price. Look at this price. Like, these are massive spikes. As we come down, we find the bottom, and now we're just consolidating. We're trading sideways, which is very interesting in the overall picture. We're trading sideways. And I'm going to actually add the TD sequential. I think that was a new follower. Wait, we had a new sub. Yeah, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please do. We do TA all the time. That's so whack. I don't know why Digibyte just popped up, and I'm going to have to change that. Maybe it's shuffling through all of the different ones. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to sub. No. Why isn't indicator popping up? I wanted to add TD sequential, but if it's giving me trouble, I'm not going to do it. Litecoin over 100 soon. The longer we go sideways, the higher we will shoot, guys. Jason Lucas, pretty much dead on with that. The weekly MACD still has to cross. Hayden, what's your Litecoin end of year prediction? You think Bitcoin can ever reach 4K? 4K? That's freaking low, man. Like, that's freaking low. Oh, I already have TD sequential on. Duh, I'm dumb. Very interesting that we are also on the second candle, and I'm really looking to break bullish from this. It's very interesting all around. Why does Litecoin get jumped over by Stellar? It's literally just the market cap. That means absolutely nothing in terms of what coin is better. You know, it's just the amount of volume that's in it. If we get even the slightest injection into volume into Litecoin, it's going to blow Stellar out of the water and retake a lot of positions. But based off the TA, Litecoin is definitely due to break either really high or it's going to go down. But the way Bitcoin's moving, Litecoin's going to follow very soon. Why is that people say 3K in the bottom? I'm not sure. You're going to have to elaborate a little more. What's up, everybody? Subscribe. Make sure to smash the like button if you haven't. I'm trying to get 40 likes on the video. We're at 34 right now, so I'd appreciate that. That means that everybody has not clicked that like button. Litecoin market cap got crushed. Everyone sold into Bitcoin. Yeah, when the ETFs were rumored, a lot of people moved their money into Bitcoin, but it's just very interesting, this weekly chart, and I like to look at weekly charts mainly because 5,000 Litecoin by December, I'd be very shocked if we see that, but I'd be very happy too. I'd be one happy camper. You can see that, like, it's just very intriguing to me, guys, that there's a lot of sideways action right now, a lot of sideways momentum, a lot of movement. You know, the way that this candle is being suppressed makes me feel like it could potentially be like this. And I want to draw it like that. I really do, but I don't feel like it could. I mean, it can be. I'm going to actually do that. You know, I'm going to leave it like this. It's very possible that it could be like this. I don't know if it is, but you can see where we have wicks here that are pulled right back. You can see the test right here. It's just the fact that it's involved in a very small area or a very small region right near the tip of the descending triangle, and it's due to pop. It's just the amount of consolidation, the trading sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks where there has been practically no change in the price is very, 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 very interesting. It's very interesting. $36 likes. Let's see. Mexican Charlie, yes. Jason Lucas, LOL Sage, he had his days been wrong most this year so far. Who is he talking to? Jason Lucas says. And gender change. Where would you feel Litecoin's high will be and where is everyone now? Who was in on Dan's show that said Litecoin to 11,700? Damn. I believe Litecoin is very undervalued right now, and it's a great price to accumulate. Crypto sentiment is gaining momentum, and that's a great push to adopt Litecoin to Bitcoin ratio 1 to 100. Answer endangered change. Yeah, it's boring. Mexican, what's up? John said that 11,700 based on the percentage gain from last year. I would love a 5K Litecoin. It's just interesting. Like, it's so tough, guys, and I'm definitely going to have to make a full in-depth video on this, but it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks of sideways consolidation. You can see the size of these candles before, and it's nowhere near compared to the size of them now. So usually when we see that price being suppressed like that, it's usually due to the top of a downtrend. So it could definitely be something like this. You know, we could see the price like this in regards to where it is, and it's kind of just nearing the end or the pin. So I'm not sure exactly where to put the line, but we're definitely nearing. Yeah, it has been boring for the past few weeks, but that's usually due to when it's about to pop in another direction. You know, if it goes to 160, guys, you're doubling your money if you bought at 80. So just think about that, you know, and it's so easy for it to go there. You can see we shot up so quickly, and the fact that we're finally nearing the bottom of the downtrend, the final point in this descending triangle, it's due to pop. It's going to follow what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin broke bullish from it. Bitcoin shot up. We're now going to see Litecoin do the same thing. Litecoin's about to pop. You can see it's following Bitcoin's path. Bitcoin traded sideways and is now continuing to go up. And that's exactly what Litecoin's going to do very soon. So I do think there's going to be movement into the market very soon. You just have to be patient and wait. But it would be very, 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 very naive and not a smart play to sell right now. I really don't recommend it. How to Litecoin, you'll never lose. Litecoin was at 2.5% of Bitcoin's few months back. HODL Litecoin 2. HODL Bitcoin 2. I like where it's at. Has allowed me to gather some more. Seems like with all the stuff Charlie Lee does, it's getting to get it accepted. Yet seller gains acceptance. Gotta hold both Digibyte if you want a third proof of Workcoin. So it's definitely just an interesting market. It really is. There's a lot of stuff happening all at once, very, very, very quickly. How long have we been live streaming for? I don't know. I think that's a wrap, guys. I don't know what else you guys want to talk about unless you leave it in the comments. Pretty much discussed it all. Let's see. Heard someone say crypto is the transfer of wealth from impatient to the patient. Wisely said. That is very true. I'm in Bitcoin too. Yeah, I've been holding for a very long time. It's just, if you look at the Bitcoin chart, it's just so beautifully drawn out that this descending triangle breaks out of it. When you got a huge ass light in front of you, it gets really hot. Making me sweat. Litecoin bag hidden away. Have you noticed any market manipulation? I will go back very soon. You know, it's hard to say, and I don't think there has been, to be truly honest with you, because a lot of people just say that in regards to whenever there's a dip, whenever there's a massive spike downwards, it's manipulation. It's manipulation. But if you look at charts, the charts pretty much just show you what everything looks like. Like when you look at the top here and you move it down, you'll notice this was the top. We were at 90 on the RSI on the weekly. That is extremely, 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 extremely overbought. And anybody who sees it this high knows that it's going to go down and would be very naive to buy in this region here. Anything over this line, this 70 line, is just stupid to buy in because it's going to come down. And then you'll notice it has come down. And you could either wait for it to bottom out, and it may never bottom out it may not bottom out in a long time. But the fact that it came back down to a region of 50, it's back, it's neutral, It's neutral. You can even see here, it's pretty wild the amount of times it was in that overbought territory. This is the lowest. I want to just show you guys this. Like the RSI was 43 not too long ago, right here on the 18th. The last time it was that low was all the way back in 2015. So it has been a very long time since the market has gone down that low to an RSI of that level. So it's interesting, and I do think it's due to pull up very soon. It's just be patient. This year, or 2019, may have a lot to offer for cryptocurrency. This was a healthy, yes, I 100% agree. This was an extremely healthy recovery. We're back down to its high-low MMA. And like I say, when you first retest that, we always bounce off of it. And that's what we're doing. Not only does this downtrend happen to meet, this descending triangle meets right at the high-low MMA, which couldn't have gotten any more perfect to indicate that it's going to break above and break out of the downtrend. You guys notice we broke a downtrend that's been on us since December 18th. It is now, what is it? The 27th. That's pretty much 8 months of a recovery, 8 months of recovering back from a price that shot up way too high. We're down to a level, we're due to run. I'd really like to know what you guys think if we have an 8-month bull trend, There's going to be a lot of critics out there really regretting that they didn't buy at prices this low. Let's party. What is up, everybody? We got 50 people watching. Make sure to smash that like button. Let me know where you're from in the chat. If you have any questions, feel free to join the live stream or the live chat. Ask away. I try to respond to everybody. We got 50 people. What is up, everybody? We only got 36 likes. Try to get it to 50, guys. I'm trying to get it to 50 likes, and I'll be pretty freaking happy. I'll make my night. A boom is coming, guys. Yes, it is, Mexican Charlie Lee. Keep it realistic here. 3 days to go up, 350. Oh, so you guys wanted to know how high the breakout would be potentially for Litecoin when we do break bullish from the downtrend. So you guys can see clearly, don't deny me, this is a descending triangle, 100,000%. FOMO is coming back hardcore. Yes, that is very true. Once the media starts saying, hey guys, crypto is moving up very high, you're going to see so much FOMO buying in. It's going to be unreal. It's going to be unreal. Tampa, where are you at, Hayden? I am currently on Long Island. Let me know if you know where Long Island is. It's 30 minutes out from New York City. I'm trying to get a good picture. $400. So let's see. And you can see how huge of a price movement this was. So we're going to draw it from right here. Move this up. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So 426%. That's just phenomenal to see that Litecoin freaking did that. It's going to practically bring us back up to the same price, which pretty much nobody should have complaints for. But we're going to see a Litecoin retest that $400 level. I'm going to be realistic with you and comparing. Being conservative, I could definitely see a $300 Litecoin very soon. That's my conservative approach. Debbie Schwan lived in Hicksville for a while. That is so funny. Hicksville is literally the town over from me. It's literally, I'm on the border of Hicksville. I live near Bethpage too, if you know where Bethpage is, Debbie. I was born and raised in Long Island. Go Litecoin, Roadstar. That's awesome. So it does. It's very interesting. It looks pretty darn nice the way the market's trending. The fact that we're in this downtrend. I won't sneeze at 300. It just looks too good. It's too perfect. You can see the downtrend right here. It's due to pop up and go up. You can see the consolidation at the bottom. We're ready to move. Volume is going to come to the market, and you're going to see it shoot up. It looks too good on the weekly chart on the RSI. It's just too soon, guys. Complete agreement on descending triangle pattern. Mm-mm. 44 likes. I appreciate that, guys. We're getting there. Complete agreement on descending triangle pattern. Thank you, Eric Wiley. A lot of people, some new people are joining the channel. So I wanted to show you guys. South Bend, Indiana. Agree. Thank you for those who are agreeing. And we break bullish from downtrends, usually. So that's why I'm so bullish on Litecoin, guys. I feel people are bailing on Litecoin Twitter sentiment. You know what? If they bail, there's more money for us, guys, when it breaks up. But it's also, you can see the suppression right here from the top of the downtrend, and we should be able to break up very soon. I bought a decent amount of Digibyte, so I don't feel left out anymore. People who bought at 200 can't like it. Just getting more. But that's what you have to do, Rob Merrifield. You have to scale out your payment. So if people who bought at $200, you know, whatever you bought, if you bought 50 Litecoin at 200, if you buy 50 Litecoin at the price level right now, your $200 gets halved. You know, you might break even when the price of Litecoin goes up to, like, you know, 130, 140 instead of $200. It's a way of scaling back and kind of evening out, leveling your payment. It's a pretty cool business tactic. My average price is like 170. Been averaging down when I can. Yeah, I do the same thing, Jimmy Pitch. I do the exact same thing. Dollar cost average. Thank you, Mexican Charlie Lee. I appreciate that. Hello from Jacksonville, Florida. I'm having a hard time getting my Litecoin and Digibyte. The sites are crazy. Why not just use Coinbase? I feel like that's a very easy website to use. Levias Free Fate says Bitcoin making these big waves is breaking alts. Tsunami pulling funds from alts, washes alts back over tenfold. But in the meantime, thinking Bitcoin dominates 60%, 70% incoming. Yes, we're at 60 to 70%. That's pretty darn high, if you ask me. Asking for someone else. What did you say, Rob Merrifield? People who bought. I'm at 189 average. Thought I was getting in good. Use ABRA. Yeah, ABRA's pretty good too. I recommend that. Debbie Schwan donated $10 on the super chat. I believe it should pop up soon. No? In the chat. I appreciate that. Getting the super chats roll. That's freaking awesome. It should update. I don't know why it didn't. I want it to pop up. There we go. Sorry for that. Pretty dope. I appreciate that. It's happened before. Nice job tonight. I appreciate that, guys. I really want to get into this live stream more. Put a lot more effort into it. I got this whole new setup. I've showed you guys in a few videos. I don't know if you've seen it before, but I really do appreciate that. It goes a long way. Nice job tonight. Debbie, the real MVP. Yeah, anybody want to compete with her? Guys, I'm super now, but is it an inverse head and shoulders on the 4 hour? Nice, Debbie, forming that is. So, Andrew Bentley, are you talking about Litecoin? Litecoin is value coin in my mind, the coin of retail transaction. Yeah, it is. Well, that's how they're trying to make it out. You know, the Pay with Litecoin Foundation is trying to make it so that you can basically use it as the coin. They're really trying to just spread awareness for the coin so people can stop using, you know, Bitcoin. You know, if you ask somebody, cryptocurrency, what is cryptocurrency? What is Bitcoin? Most people are going to say they know what Bitcoin is. Not many people are going to know what Litecoin is. So that's what they're really trying to do, is raise awareness for that. And I plan on buying a car soon, and I do plan on putting a big-ass I accept Litecoin logo either on the license plate or on the side of the window. So to really raise awareness for this, because I do think cryptocurrency is the wave of the future, and I do think that's where we're headed. So I think if you're not investing in it and you're not getting in that, you're missing out, guys. Like, this is the future is here. My generation is not seeing this. The older generation is starting to notice that, but that's where we're headed. And if you get on board while it's in the beginning, there's a lot of money that you're going to make. You're sitting on a pretty big basket of eggs. Bitcoin is breaking technical analysis is what I mean. Roadstar goes, my average was down to 225, but traded 20% of Litecoin for Digibyte. So my average is back to 250. Unfortunately, I spent all my extra fiat too soon. I do think Roadstar, I do think crypto, and especially Litecoin, is going to be above $250 soon. Just be patient, man. I do think we're going to go over that. I'm 65, Rob Merrifield. No, there's no shame in that. I'm 20, and I personally feel like my generation is just not aware of the of everything going around. They're too busy trying to see how much they can drink and stuff like that. I mean, it's a Friday night, and I'd prefer to do this than go get wasted. I'm 59, love crypto. I appreciate that. A lot of the generation is you guys, and I'm glad I have that audience. You know, I've always thought I've been more of the mature one to talk to an audience like that, and I fit in better than my generation. I'm also 59. No problem, no shame in that. I'm 20. Pretty wild, though, that you guys are hanging out with me, but no shame in that. I appreciate all of it. Exodus is good wallet, but exchange fees seem a little high. Yeah, Ken S. I do personally have Exodus wallet, and I do use it. I do like the setup. I do like that it is it's a hard wallet, but I do plan on buying a Ledger Nano and just taking all crypto off the computer completely. That's probably your safest bet. And if you don't plan on touching your money, you can get invested in a paper wallet. That's the ultimate safe one, but if you lose it, you're screwed. Charles Provenzo says, hey man, are you at all concerned with Litecoin has lost so much Satoshi value? I mean, I used to trail Bitcoin religiously, 1:60 ratio. Woo, dude, my first TA confirm. Anything is certain, of course. My first TA confirm. Jason Lucas, 25, you are the youngest in here. Yeah, I know, it's but I've been doing it for quite a while, so I'm not, don't count me out. Don't judge the young guy. I got my Digibyte from Exodus. Only way I was able to get it. I believe Digibyte is also on Binance. Probably the better exchange to get it from. Crypto Hippie says he is 34. We got a whole bunch of ages. Alex Simano says 25. Not too bad. Not much older than me. Nothing too bad. I appreciate that, Debbie, again for the $10 super chat. Yes, I use Ledger now, live now. Yeah, that's probably what I plan on doing. 45 here says Eric Wiley. No, Bittrex. Exodus is cool. Digibyte is on ABRA too. Yeah, that's another thing, guys. So I recommend Digibyte. I recommend ABRA. I really do push ABRA. I do think that's the way if you're planning on wanting a cool wallet to use and to transfer. They also have a bunch of different fiat currencies too, which is interesting. Debbie Schwann says I'm not telling. Wide variety of age levels here. 31 myself, nothing too bad. Yeah, just seeing what you guys... I know I have YouTube Analytics, which tells me you guys' age for the most part. LOL, Debbie. ABRA is easy to use. Yeah, it is pretty easy to use. You could use a bank transfer. Nothing too bad. I think we've been streaming for quite some time. If you guys have any last questions before I go... How do you sell it? You just switch it and you can convert it right into US dollars and send it to your bank. Definitely check out ABRA though. If Digibyte gets up, oh, also I believe Robinhood you can now buy cryptocurrency on, so definitely check that out. But I think that's gonna sum up. I'm just gonna draw this and we'll end the stream like this. But this is where I think Litecoin is going to go. Boom. All the way up there. All the way up there. So that's going to wrap up the TA for today, guys. The live stream. I do appreciate all those who got involved. Robinhood has live chat too. See it, Hayden. The 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. I'm going to check it out on Litecoin. I think that's true. Whoa. Hold on. And then we'll wrap up the TA because it's getting kind of late and I'm kind of getting tired. Hey, from Australia. Sorry I missed the live stream. Hey, it's okay. You're in it now. That's all that matters. We're kind of wrapping things up here. But appreciate all those for coming out. Just going to look at what I believe... Who said it? Who was that? Andrew Bentley said, oh, for Bitcoin. Yes, yes, yes. Andrew. Have you been watching my videos? Definitely not if you ask that question. Look, I literally have it drawn on my Bitcoin chart. On the 4-hour. Check it. I don't even have to do anything. Just look. It's literally right there. The inverse head and shoulders that I drew. Look. See, it's coming into frame right now. You can see the inverse head and shoulders. Bam. Right there. Inverse head and shoulders. All good. It's in some of my other videos, but just wanted to draw that. Is Nano better than Litecoin? Nah. Litecoin all the way. Make sure I like the video. Yes, Bitcoin. See you later, man. Hello, sorry. Robinhood added Dogecoin as well. Yeah, that's pretty good. Rated R says, what up, fam? Rated R, if you're new to the stream, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, enjoy the TA. I believe I'm getting off very soon, and I know a lot of my subs are getting off right now too. But smash the like button, smash the subscribe button if you haven't. Oh, the well-known one. But wrapping up the stream for right now. You can watch the replay though. It'll be uploaded very soon. I appreciate that. But I gotta go catch some Z's. I'll see you guys later. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and check out the last video that I posted. Peace. Let me shut this off. I'm still on, but Steve Lyle goes, check out your other channel. I do appreciate that. Yeah, check that out too. Link in the description if you're interested in learning about fitness or anything like that. Motivation. Definitely check that out too. I appreciate that. That's my personal channel. You get to see a lot more of me than just my face behind a screen. It's pretty awesome. I need OBS to load so I can exit out of this. Otherwise, I'm screwed. Let's see. Come on, OBS. What are you doing? This is giving me so much trouble. I don't know why my OBS isn't working, but I'm getting off soon. Yeah.